Picture this. Imagine soaring in the bright blue sky above Jesse Owens Field in a sleek, lightweight RC plane using state-of-the-art 3D printing technology. Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what we're working on. My name is Francisco Vasquez, and I'm team lead of Aero Eagles United, aka Team 9.3. And this project isn't just about building a cool RC plane. It's about using real and innovative technology to make a real impact in the aerospace industry. I'm using 3D printing and CAD software such as SolidWorks to generate complex geometries that are difficult or sometimes even impossible to create using traditional manufacturing methods. That means we're creating custom designs that are optimized for performance, functionality. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to be a part of something groundbreaking? With our 3D printed aircraft project, we are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and we hope to inspire others to do the same. So, are you ready to take flight with us? If so, mark your calendars for May 20th as we host for the first time ever Cal Citadel's first 3D printing aircraft competition. Thank you.